don't have heavies behind us. Okay. So you know.
Yeah. They stopped to help 5 or whatever car that was.
Okay, the last number across is 51. Net control copies. KL1CA.
On 8. We're on 8.
Yeah. I was waiting for a break in the radio.
I know.
Net control, fast sweep.
Net control, go ahead.
Net control, fast sweep. We have entered special stage 8. WD2DW.
You're entering in at 1521. Net control, KL1CA.
This is turning into a hole right here.
Alright, net control, this is Clark. Net control, go ahead. Alright, if heavy, as soon as heavy sweep has finished special stage 7, or past both heavy sweeps have passed a location on special stage 7, those marshal points can start tearing their stuff down and leaving counter rally traffic back towards the southern entrance to the facility. Net control copies. Marshal point 6, did you copy this traffic from Clerk?
This feels like I'm going so slow now. But I don't want to do too much on this thing. These edges scare me.
Yeah.
If it wasn't so slick like everywhere and just randomly.
Control, this is heavy sweep. Heavy sweep, net control. We have finished special stage 7.
Good.
Copy that at 1522. Q4, IBH.
This is the corner. This is the one that gets me right here. But I think it's this is cleaned up a lot because I was sliding like crazy through that one last time. First
Marshal
time.
point 6, net control. Guys, heavy sweep has passed you. Control copies. This is KL1ZA.
This one's gonna be much funner the other way when we go the other way.
Net control. Finish 7. Finish 7,
That's
net
it.
control.
The echo on the radio?
Yep, that's a, I didn't turn my portable off before I keep my mobile. Uh-oh. I did a thing.
You can change the volume from the...
Nope, I did I put it in, put it into VFL. There, I got it.
No, I was saying you can change the volume on the thing. There's a volume button on that. I didn't know it either. I discovered it earlier.
Net control, Marshal, please.
To point 20, net control, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Are we clear to secure?
Stand by. Clerk, net control is Marshal point 20, cleared to secure.
Heavy sweep is past you. You are clear to secure.
I am away from my map. Can does Marshal point 20 know where they are on the court? Stand by. Marshal point 20, do you know which location you are on the course?
Yeah, she's Marshal point 20.
From the map.
This is on the map.
Yes, sir. We're at the owner's house.
Yeah, we're long
Yeah, the
clear.
court copied that, so that position is now free to secure and either, and leave the course.
There's a lot of people there.
Uh-huh.
Was there?
Yeah, there is.
Attack control, Marshall 23.
20, go ahead.
Yes, there will be security for today. Have a good afternoon. Maybe Wednesday.
20, this is KL1CA. Thank you very much. And we'll say 7-3. Thank you for your assistance. KL1CA, net control. Net control, station 8 finish. 8 finish, go ahead, please. Now please copy cars 15, 64, 915.
I like this.
Yeah, this is a fun section.
This would be really fun if I didn't want to jump those jumps.
We got 11 starters, 11 finishers. Thank you very much. Stage 8 finish. Net control.
All cars are clear.
4JUU.
We're almost finished though.
I mean, 11 out of 15? That's not bad.